Sinduri Reddy from the Premier Academy. I'm the founder, and this is my wonderful team. All our toppers are right here, and all our students are still welcome at school. We're waiting for all of them to arrive to celebrate with them. Thank you so much, all of you, for being here. If you'll have any questions, we're happy to answer it. And regarding the scholarship test, the questions will be taken by our business head, Mr. Ganesh. Average is 81%, and our topper is at 97%. And approximately 50% or more of our children, 60% of our children have scored beyond 80%.
We're very happy to announce the results of our school. It's been an excellent one, and we are overwhelmed right now to express our happiness. And we want to tell you that our school has had the 100% result yet again in the third year. And the school class average is about 82%, with the top scorers, about 7 of our students out of the 36 who appeared have scored above 90. About 14 of them have scored between 80 and 90, and another, I think 12 of them have scored above 70%, and the remaining 3 are within the 60 to 70 bracket. So we celebrate all of these children for their tremendous effort and consistent progress shown throughout the year, and our teachers also for guiding these children. Whatever we do is less, yet I feel the winner here is the student, and we are very, very proud of the results. And my humble gratitude to all my teaching staff, my other members of the school, and the parent fraternity for continuously giving their support, and my children who are the stars of the day. I think a huge applause to all of them. Thank you so much.
I am Radha. I scored 97.4% in my grade 10 in Premier Academy. It's truly been a consistent journey with the Premier Academy, with all the teachers present here, the staff, even our juniors, seniors. They were really helpful to us. And most importantly, I would say to all of the other people out there, to all my brothers and sisters, that I guess consistency is the key to success. I don't think that studying continuously 24/7 will attain you very much success. I think enjoyment is really equal to what you study. And I would really like to thank my parents, my father and my mother, who have been consistent in who have been a consistent support even at home, and every time I fail or something like that even if I get a low score, I feel disheartened. I am not satisfied that much, but it's my parents who always say that it's your consistency that has taken you till here, and it's really a proud moment to be the topper, and I have really been successful in making my parents proud. I would also thank, I guess it's the main key behind me is my math teacher, who has been my class teacher since 3 years, Miss Nandini. So it has been a really good journey with all my friends, and I really developed the feelings of love, all the emotions here. I really thank you everyone for being here. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
She supported a lot to my son, caring, motivating in everywhere. She supported, and thank you. Thank you so much. And I want to say thanks to Telugu ma'am, Madhavi ma'am, mathematics ma'am, Nandini ma'am, Richa ma'am, Zoeb sir, for everyone. Thank you so much.